What is it? What is Model Expo?
Model Expo. So Model Expo is coming up again.
And you are putting entries in.
Who?
You.
I am.
What are you putting
have
in? Are you allowed to divulge, or is it like a secret? You can't tell people what you're doing?
I can, but I haven't quite decided yet. So I've already got quite a few projects started. It's just whether or not I decide which ones I'm going to complete.
Yeah.
So I've got one that I completed a little while ago. I can put in. There's the. I probably showed it on live a little while ago. That was the robot handing out the flower to the girl.
Oh, is that
From
recently? I thought you'd shown that before.
So, well, that was a few weeks ago, wasn't it? I showed that. To guess, it was the car of the day.
No, but I thought it was.
Oh, I'll put in a competition.
Yeah.
I'll put it in a competition, but it's different to Expo.
Oh.
So anything that you haven't entered into Expo, you can show again.
Yeah.
So that one I entered, it was a bit of a rush job, so I'll probably clean it up a bit, do a better base for it, and I'll enter it again. And then I'll have something new as well, because everyone expects to see something new.
Do they?
Yeah, they do.
Pig tank.
Maybe. So basically, I've left it a bit too long. So we've had 2 years because it's been caught off for a couple of years because of lockdowns.
Yep.
And that means there's going to be everyone with 3 years worth of stuff to enter.
And you're going to go with?
Maybe 2. So I got, 6 weeks? So I've got about 6 weeks.
That's plenty of time. You don't need to sleep between now and then.
Sleep.
So what is it? What is Model Expo? I don't know.
You don't know what Model Expo is?
Can we go? Will you take me?
I'll take it. I'll hold your hand.
We should do a show from there. Can we do a show from there?
Okay. Well, I'd like to.
Well, let's do it.
So we went wandering around there last night. So we've got if you want to see what Model Expo is all about, just go to the YouTube channel and look up Model Expo. So we've got a few videos up there already.
Yep.
So I did a little bit of a tour around there. So Model Expo is basically the national championships for plastic model building.
Okay.
There's a whole lot of different categories. And for, I don't know, it's got to be more than a decade now. It's been out at the Sandown race course.
Yep.
And that's out in the Springvale area.
Yep.
Just check their website for all the details. What I might do is I might just put up on the comments. We've got a event as well that we set up. So you can just like the event and then you'll get a reminder because, it's a few weeks away and it's quite easy to forget. If you get a Facebook reminder, it's really handy. And then I'll post up the video.
We're still on overhead, mate.
Still on the overhead?
There we go.
How's that? All right, let's copy this. Let me get my...
So everybody can see Model Expo.
Yeah.
What could I put in?
Oh, where am I going? I just lost where I'm going.
I might build one of those eggs.
An egg?
Can I build an egg?
An egg? Which egg are you talking about?
Or a gnaw. Can I put a gnaw in it?
Oh, one of them. Yeah.
No?
From Lek.
Yeah.
You can. They've got classes for that. Absolutely.
Classes?
Classes, not glasses.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean you want to study? No. It's a category. So you can enter a variety of categories. There's a whole heap of them. So go on the website and check them all out.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've just posted in the comments the Facebook event.
Yep.
That's on our Facebook, so you can get a reminder. And now I'm just going to post up the actual website for Model Expo. And from here, you can have a look at all the rules and such.
Yep.
And the days that you go there. So it's not going to be the Queen's birthday weekend, which it traditionally is. It's going to be the following week. So usually it's on a Friday, Saturday. Sorry, it's on a Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It's going to be on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday this time around.
How come it's on 3 days?
Why?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Is it the same? Is it
I
the
think
same? Do you
let me check this.
Do you submit your models and then they display them for you, or do you have to be there watching them?
You don't have to be there. So you go in there early. So over here you've got you can start admitting them on Thursday night at 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
So you can drop them off, pay your entry fee. Then you need to come back on the Sunday afternoon to pick them up.
Okay.
And when you come on the Sunday afternoon, you'll see what position you were in. So whether or not you won any prizes. It's good. It's really good. You'll see a lot of stuff, really inspirational. Yeah. And they've got a lot of vendors there too. So you can go there and see some different goods, different models, tools, and all that sort of stuff.
Hobby knife?
Hobby knife.
They're missing out if they don't have 9-step snippers.
This is actually a train show, which is going to be on the week prior to Expo. So that's on the Queen's birthday weekend.
Yep.
And that's organised by the Waverley Model Railway Club. So
and young Finley. Young Finley is an active member of that club.
He is.
He told me
definitely.
That. And they meet up every Thursday afternoon or something.
That's right. So it's going to be at Brandon Park Community Centre.
Yep.
these are dates. So Queen's birthday weekend, so the Saturday, the Sunday, and the Monday.
Yep.
They're going to have layouts, demos, secondhand stalls, and trade stands. So again, you got 3 days, and there's a lot to look at. It's going to be good.
Will they have a bear?
A bear?
Will there be a bear there? Can I take a bear? Right, do you take trains and put it down? What do you do? I don't understand. How does that work?
You go there to look at the layout displays.
Oh,
so there'll be clubs that put on a display.
Yep.
And then you can see the trains going around. So you get inspiration from the different layouts.
Because my understanding is it takes years to be able to lay out.
They do. So the ones that they generally take to these events, they design them so they're easy to carry. So some of the huge ones are in modules.
Yep.
And so they might even have a club member have one section of the module, and they do that one, and then they work out a way of how they interlink. And DCC Concepts from England have actually got a system where you can press them together, and they have the electrical contacts. So quite often they do that too. So each person brings in their module, you slap them together, and
like
you
Lego
end up
pieces.
with this, a big, massive layout.
Oh, that's cool.
You should go to one. They're really impressive. Really impressive.
I'll get Finlay to take me.
Yeah.
He'll know all about it.
That's right.
Or David or Marlon.
Yes.
Marlon will go, surely.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, well. We'll get
so there you go.
Marlon
So there's 2 events, not too far away.
Yep.
And it's really good to see events come back because, I mean, it's been a bit haphazard, hasn't it, with events?
Well, we haven't had any. None of this stuff I don't think has really been on.
Yep.
So I'm sure there's a lot of smaller stuff that's been going on, but yeah, it's really good to have expos and big shows and big car show, Motor X car show across the road over the weekend, convention centre. So it's good to have those things back in, get a lot of tourists. Melbourne is buzzing.
It is. There's a lot of visitors at the moment, which is great.
Fantastic, guys.
Okay, let me just see here.
What else have we got?
I think
everybody's left the car. They've all gone home. No?
So Stone Farmer reckons he's going to start swimming from California.
Start swimming?
Yeah.
Because
that way he can make it for 2023 Expo. Not this year's, next year's.
They got planes for that, mate. You don't have to do that anymore. I promise you. Be a bit safer too.
It would be.
Go the long way across.
That's right.
Stop in at New Zealand, say hello.
Hi.
Keep swimming. You wouldn't want to swim the other way. It'd be way too long.
Well, that's right. Would be, wouldn't it? All right, what else we got? Is that it?
I think that's it.
It's been a pretty long show today. It's been an hour 20.
I think we should call it there, mate.
All right. We did have some of this stuff, but that can wait another day.
We've got plenty to look at.
Yeah.
We don't want to burn ourselves out.
No burnout.
All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining us on episode 101. I hope you've enjoyed it. We've had a lot to get through.
Yes.
Heaps of cool new stuff, some old cool new stuff, and and BJ and myself as per usual.
That's it. So I guess have a safe week. Enjoy your weekend, wherever you are around the world, and we'll see you again on next Friday for episode 102.
All right, guys. Play nice.
Thank you.
See you guys.